All right, folks. So what we've got going on here on this very, very cold day, we've actually got rained out at work, got snowed out actually, rain and snow with some sleet. Anyway, so what we've got going on here is I'm building a shed slash shop. It's a shop. It's basically a big shed, and I'm using what I have. So the only thing that I've bought recently is the studs, the 2x4s. Everything else we've had here for a long time. We had a job fall through, bought a ton of material for that job, couldn't return it because we had it too long. And so I'm going to utilize it on this. And like I said, it is stuff that we have, so I'm making it work with what I've got. Kind of funky, kind of crazy. I can't afford to do anything else. A reason for this build is because, well, it's much needed, of course. You know, when you've got equipment, you're doing septic systems, water lines, that sort of thing. Very light excavating, whatever it is, remodeling, you need some sort of shop. And what my plans are is to get all of my tools out of the trailers, out of the houses, off the porches, and of course put them in the shed or the shop. I'm going to call it a shop. So one other reason that we're building this shop, well, we need a shop. I mean, it's just that simple. But this trailer is making me do it quicker than I actually want to do it. And that is because by this summer, at some point, I want this 6x12 trailer to have been transformed into a very nice camper with a shower, a composting toilet, a kitchenette, a bed, TV, the whole works. So that is that's my goal. 61 years old, I'm going to get them done. We've got a deck here, and then a deck over here, and a deck over there. And the three separate decks, put them on 4x4s. We'll be running 2x8s or whatever. Basically for a foundation. Right now this is pretty temporary, kind of crazy, but this is what we're doing anyway. We'll see. All right, so we're putting in a door right here. So I just set the studs to fit the door. this side wall here, this is the front wall. This side wall here will be able to tie into that. The 2x4 will just sit right there. So much of this is just half done. It's just crazy how I'm doing it, but that's how I'm doing it. I don't have much of a choice. I still gotta pick up 5/4 board to finish all of this out here. Alright, so there again, forgot to show you that first piece. That's how I squared the wall, being by myself. The best thing for me to do is just square it up with a piece of OSB, and it seemed to work, so we're going to carry it on. put this on here. And what that's going to do is when we raise it up, you'll see. All right, so I've got the studs that are in the middle of the OSB marked off. No chalk line. John wanted to pick one up, but I didn't wait. I marked it off with a 2x4 and a pencil. So let's do it. All right, folks, did not video the raising of the wall. So sorry, did not video the building of that part of the wall. But I forget, so sorry. But anyway, it is that far. Thankful for that. Yeah, that's it.